Do you know that the dead star caught ripping up Planetary system? No? Then here it is. A star's death throes have so violently disrupted its planetary system that the dead star left behind, called a white dwarf, is siphoning off debris from both the system's inner and outer reaches. This is the first time astronomers have observed a white dwarf star that is consuming both rocky metallic and icy material, the ingredients of planets. Archival data from NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and other NASA observatories were essential in diagnosing this case of cosmic cannibalism. The findings help describe the violent nature of evolved planetary systems and can tell astronomers about the makeup of newly forming systems. The findings are based on analyzing material captured by the atmosphere of the nearby white dwarf star G23844. A white dwarf is what remains of a star like our Sun after it sheds its outer layers and stops burning fuel through nuclear fusion. We have never seen both of these kinds of objects accreting onto a white dwarf at the same time, said Ted Johnson, the lead researcher in recent University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, bachelor's graduate. By studying these white dwarfs, we hope to gain a better understanding of planetary systems that are still intact. The findings are also intriguing because small icy objects are credited for crashing into and irrigating dry, rocky planets in our solar system. Billions of years ago, comets and asteroids are thought to have delivered water to Earth, sparking the conditions necessary for life as we know it. The makeup of the bodies detected raining onto the white dwarf implies that icy reservoirs might be common among planetary systems, said Johnson. Life as we know it requires a rocky planet covered with a variety of elements like carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, said Benjamin Zuckerman, UCLA professor and co-author. The abundances of the elements we see on this white dwarf appear to require both a rocky and a volatile-rich parent body, the first example we've found among studies of hundreds of white dwarfs.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.